Hello friends, I am Dr. Fatima and you are watching the Mom School. So today we are going to make a recipe which you can make with your kids as well, and it is super healthy and nutritious and good for toddlers as well as kids. Even we can have it. The recipe is oats and ragi pancakes with no baking soda or baking powder. So to make this, first of all we need oats 1 cup. Then we are taking whole oats here, not the powder. Then roasted ragi powder 3 teaspoon. You can take the powder oats as well, but since I am going to grind it, so I have taken the whole of oats together. Next is jaggery powder. It's just optional. Depends on how much sweet do you want. Cinnamon powder. I have taken half teaspoon. You can take a pinch or two just to remove the smell of eggs. 1 ripe banana cut, and egg I have taken 1. Then milk 1 cup. Now let's start with the recipe. First of all, we'll take a mixer grinder and we'll put everything inside the jar. I have put oats, ragi powder. This is roasted ragi powder which I have taken, which I usually use to make porridge for my toddler who is 13 months now. I'm making this pancake for him and my daughter who is 6 years old. And we like to have it as well. So I have put jaggery powder, I have put cinnamon powder, oats, ragi, bananas. Banana also makes it sweet. So you can reduce the amount of jaggery powder if you want, but this tasted well. So I think this much of jaggery is enough. Then I'm putting 1 egg in it. You can put more egg if you want the pancakes to be more fluffy. But for me, this works well for the recipe. The pancakes turn out to be very soft. So we like it. Now adding the milk. You can add little by little as well, but I have added approximately 1 cup. Next is 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can put coconut oil or butter or ghee, anything of your choice. Now let's start the mixer. It will take some time to do it. And now the mixture is ready. I pour it into a bowl and ready to make the pancakes. Sorry for not being able to shoot very properly as I was holding the phone. I shoot with my phone and I was holding the phone with one hand and making with the other. I'm not very good at, shooting all these recipe videos, but this recipe turned out so well and turns out so well. Normally we have it and my toddler loves it, so I thought of sharing it with you all. So now the pancake, I have covered it and cooked it for 1 minute approximately, and the sort of bubbles start forming and it sort of solidifies kind of from one side, the above side. I pour some butter on it. I have used ghee, homemade ghee. Now flip the pancake and we'll put ghee on this side as well. And since you can see this side is almost done but not very nicely done, so I flipped it one more time. And then from this side also I'll flip it and do it. Guys, it's looking like a bit of a paratha, but it tasted like pancake only. So don't worry. I have not added baking soda as I have heard that it's not good for the babies and kids. So I try to avoid putting baking soda. I'm not sure about it though. Now the pancake is ready. I put it on the plate and I usually serve it with honey. It enhances the taste. Since we have used jaggery powder, it's up to you how much honey you want to give. So now here is my kid enjoying the pancake and he wants more. He loves it. And this recipe makes around 4 to 5 pancakes. Thank you for watching Mom School. Make it with your kids, for your kids, and I hope you will enjoy it together. Bye bye. Take care. Happy parenting, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.